Hello. In today's video, I'll show you how to how to warm your kettle up to a selected temperature on Xiaomi Electric Kettle 2 Pro. Okay, so let's begin by adjusting the knob to select the temperature. It can be set precisely to any temperature you like, between 40 and 90 degrees Celsius. You can turn the knob to set it to a desired temperature. Let's set it to a higher temperature than the current one for now. I'll set it to 60 and I'll click on Keep Warm. You can see now it will start heating up the kettle. And now it's keeping it warm at that selected temperature. There's also another option that you can do, which is boil it and then keep it warm at a selected temperature. In order to do it, you would need to you would need to set the temperature, then tap on boil instead of keep warm. Then it would boil your kettle. And it will cool down to the selected temperature and then keep it warm. Yeah, it can work for, by default, it keeps warm for up to 24 hours, but it can be customized in the Mi Home app. There's a video about it. Now, the last thing is that by default, the kettle, if you lift it, it doesn't display the temperature because the kettle is lifted. And when you put it back on, it will start keeping the temperature again. If you put it back within 3 minutes. Of course, you can turn off Keep Warm. Then it won't keep it warm anymore. You can also disable it in the app so that it doesn't automatically continue keeping it warm after lifting and putting back the kettle. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.